This is a quick tutorial on how to use text within Neos. So one of the first things I tend to do is write things out pretty quickly. Um, Under Essential Tools, under Brushes, there's all kinds of brushes here, and I tend to use um, something like a simple geometry brush. See, that's a box brush tip. Pull one of those out. That one's rotating. Let's use this one right here. So this will create geometry in space, which is a little more than you typically want for text, but it works. And you can use a flat panel as well. But this works pretty well. And you can change that material. I tend to use a different material that's kind of like the ground here. Just grab that and pull it in. But so you can write like this, but this is kind of a lot of geometry. It takes up some processing that you probably don't want to do when you use these kind of tools. So a lot of times what's a little bit better is to grab the developer tooltip and double grip to equip, and now it's stuck to my hand. And this changes your context menu. So when you pull up this menu, you have a new item called Create New. In Create New, you can select text, and you can do a basic or an outline. The difference is this one has an outline. So basic text, you pull that out. This is the actual text. This is an icon that you can click to pull up your keyboard, and then you can change that text. To get this to go away, I typically point at the text and hit my thumb pad, which selects it and makes that icon go away. If you want to get back to where you can edit it, you can hit this last kind of blank icon, and that'll pull up your keyboard again, and you can go ahead and edit it again. So that is kind of the basic way. I'll show you real quickly just the difference. The outline text, it's the same thing, but you can see a little bit here. If I go overlay, there's a little bit of an outline on this one. You can see the black outline, and then this one doesn't have the outline. So that is basic kind of text in here in Neos.